In this video, we will review Lusha, going over the pros, cons, pricing and more. Lusha AI or Lusha is highly regarded in the B2B sales intelligence platform. It's aimed to revolutionize how sales and marketing teams discover and connect with potential leads. It boasts a massive database comprising of over 135 million verified business contacts, allowing users to obtain accurate email addresses, phone numbers and detailed professional profiles. This extensive dataset enables sales teams to precisely target decision makers and key influencers with organizations across a wide range of industries or company sizes. One of Lusha's strongest features is its advanced filtering system, which lets users narrow down prospects based on criteria like buyer's intent, job recency, companies, technology, funding rounds and more. These filters help sales professionals focus their effort on highly potential leads and thereby increasing their conversion rate and shortening their sales cycle. Moreover, Lusha seamlessly integrates with popular customer relationship platforms or CRM platforms such as HubSpot, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and more, enabling users to synchronize their enrichment data effortlessly, automating outreach processes, maintaining clean, up-to-date contact records. The platform also leverages AI capabilities to generate targeted prospect lists and create customized outreach sequences, which empowers different sales teams to engage prospects in a more effective and efficient manner at large scale. While Lusha offers numerous advantages, it not only comes with some drawbacks. One of these drawbacks users should consider before committing to the platform revolves around your data accuracy and privacy. Some users have reported instances where your contact information is outdated or incorrect. This can lead to wasted outreach efforts and frustrated sales reps. Additionally, there has been occasional reports of recipients receiving unsolicited communication as a result of data acquisition through the Lusha, which raises questions about the platform's sources and verified its data. This can be a potential issue with privacy regulations such as GDPR. Another significant downside of Lusha's credit-based pricing system is each contact reveals consumes a credit, and users must be careful how they manage their credits to avoid running out before the end of the billing cycle. Unused credits do not roll over, so there's also a potential for insufficient spending, usually for teams with fluctuating outreach volume. Moreover, many of Lusha's most powerful features include bulk data enrichment, API access and advanced analytics, which are all locked behind higher paid subscriptions, tiers or plans, which may make the platform expensive for smaller businesses or startups only with a small or limited budget. Lusha employs a tiered subscription pricing model designed to cater to a wide range of business sizes and use cases, though it can somewhat become complex due to its credit-based structure. The entry-level free plan offers free credits per month, which is ideal for individuals with smaller teams who want to try out the core functionality without financial commitment. However, it's only restrained to 50 credits per month. Moving up to the Pro plan costs around $36 per user per month and significantly increases the value by offering unlimited email reveals to up to 24,000 per year and a set number of phone numbers revealed annually. This plan also unlocks feature-rich, such as list exports, job change alerts, and helps sales teams maintain engagement with their prospects over a long period of time. The premium plan, priced at approximately $60 per user per month, adds enhanced capabilities like team management tools, higher CSV enrichment limits, and more frequent notifications, which supports a larger sales team and requires greater control and scalability. For enterprise or exclusive outreach, the Scale plan offers unlimited contact access, CRM enrichment, API connectivity, and customer support at any time. Pricing for this top-tier plan is customizable depending on your size and specific requirements of your organization. It's always important for businesses to weigh the potential return of investment and gain a credit consumption rate and choose a plan that aligns best with their outreach frequency, team size, and more to avoid unexpected over-leverage and underutilization of all their credits. Lusha. Lusha's platform is designed with simplicity and accessibility in mind, which makes it approachable for even users who may not be highly tech savvy. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which allows users to effortlessly search for different contacts, build their prospect list, and enrich existing data without needing extensive training for their sales reps. One of the most outstanding and usable features is its browser extension, which integrates directly into LinkedIn or other professional work networks, enabling users to instantly access verified contact information while browsing different users' profiles. This feature saves significant time during the prospecting and more, which allows sales professionals to gather actionable leads on the fly. Integration with major CRMs further enhances stability and enables automatic data syncing, which reduces manual data entry, errors, and more, ensuring that sales pipelines remain current. However, some users have reported occasional delays when retrieving data or inconsistencies in their contact details. This can hinder workflow efficiency. Additionally, the platform may require users to manage their credit balance carefully and to plan outreach accordingly. This may introduce a slight learning curve for different teams new to the credit-based system. Despite these challenges, the user experience remains positive, particularly for many teams seeking a streamlined and integrated approach to getting lead generation and outreach with the best clients. Overall, Lusha is a robust and comprehensive B2B sales intelligence solution that delivers immersive value to sales marketing teams focused on lead generation, customer acquisition, and helping convert more. Its vast database enriches with verified contacts and professional data, coupled with powerful AI and filtering, provides users with the ability to connect with the right decision makers efficiently and effectively. The platform seamlessly integrates with leading CRM systems, and convenience of its browser extension further enhances its appeal to many different businesses, all of different sizes. However, potential users should approach Lusha AI with an understanding of its limitations, particularly regarding data accuracy, privacy concerns, and cost implications of its credit-based pricing model. Businesses with higher outreach volume or those requiring enterprise-grade features may not find the value in its higher-tier plans. Though small organizations need to be careful of their assets to avoid overspending, overall, Lusha remains a strong contender in the competitive sales intelligence market, offering a powerful yet user-friendly toolkit designed to help streamline sales teams' productivity, improve their targets, and ultimately accelerate your business's revenue. Now you know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.